Computer graphics and 3D modeling. Lecture number 10. Work with the curve. Editing curves. 10. First, curves in CorelDRAW. 2. Drawing objects in CorelDRAW. 3. Objects Docker. 4. Editing curves. There are some references. Curves in CorelDRAW can be as simple as a single straight line or complex open or closed shapes comprised of curved or straight segments. In this tutorial, we'll look at what defines a curve, the various curve drawing tools, and working with the nodes that comprise curves. A curve is an object that follows a specific path which gives it its defining shape. A curve can be a straight line, an open curved line, or a closed, multi-segment path. Every curve has nodes which can be displayed and manipulated with the shape tool. Aside from spirals, freehand lines, and Bezier curves, most CorelDRAW objects are not created as curves. Click on any of the images below to view full size. Drawing objects in CorelDRAW is accomplished by using a variety of tools found in the toolbox. In this tutorial, we will look at the curve tool flow. The curve tools include the freehand tool, the two-point line tool, the Bezier tool, the artistic media tool, the pen tool, the B-spline tool, the polyline tool, and the three-point curve tool. Once properly mastered, the use of these tools will make design creation simple and accurate. Here's a rectangle, which is listed as such in a object's Docker. This rectangle has nodes, which can be seen when activating the Shape tool and clicking the rectangle. But you can't do much with these nodes except change the shape of the corners. If you want to work with these nodes to change the shape, you first need to convert the rectangle to a curve. Now a curve is listed in the object's Docker. When you use the Shape tool now, you can access each node individually. The nodes are white squares, and the arrowhead node at the start or end of the curve is a line node. You can change the look of nodes by doing Tools, Options, CorelDRAW. On the Nodes and Handles tab, you can set node display size and colors. The three shapes represent the three types of nodes: cusp, smooth, and symmetrical. Let's change this to smooth nodes. To do this, we need to convert the straight segments to curves. Select all nodes on the object and click Convert to Curve, and click Smooth Node. Now all segment transitions are smooth. In addition to moving nodes themselves, you can use a node control handles to control curvature. Right-clicking on a node enables you to change its type, such as changing a smooth node to cusp. For a cusp node, use the control handles to create a sharp corner. The last node type is symmetrical, which has a diamond shape. Symmetrical nodes have the same tangency and curvature on both sides of the node. Now that we understand how nodes can be adjusted, let's look at some of the curve drawing tools, which can be found in this fold toolbar. The most basic curve tool is two-point line. You can drag out individual segments, and with the Shift key pressed, you'll snap to angles 50-degree increments. You can also start a next segment at the end node of an existing segment. Once a curve is closed, you can give it a fill. Thank you for attention.